We just received a glowing review from someone who's thrilled about our top-notch 5-star service. It makes us proud to share such great compliments with everyone now. We really appreciate it when someone is kind enough to write about their experience with our staff. We believe reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment of quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. But please, don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself. Attention to detail and unmatched quality are our specialities. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We're happy to help you anytime.